Hey everyone, this is the Exuberance Kid here, and today I'll be teaching you how to tell if your silver is fake or real, and also how to clean your chains. So the first thing I'll be showing you is my two chains that I have. The one on the top is a Byzantinian chain, and the second one is the rope chain on the bottom. And what I'll be showing you is how to tell if your silver chain is fake or real by these few tests. And the first one we begin is the 925 test, where essentially there's a hallmark stamp near the lobster claw area. Obviously, anybody can fake this, but it's a good step showing if it's to show its authenticity, to show the silver is made from a certified jeweler. And the next thing we look for is the magnet test. And as you can see, I have magnets where I'm just showing you how silver is not magnetic. So any attraction that is shown is not is silver at all. And if you have anything similar, it means that your chain is made from other metals other than silver. But as you can see, mine is not attracted to any magnetic field at all, so therefore it's a shows a good indicator of my silver chains being real. And the next thing that we're going to do is the ice cube test, which is very crucial to show about the heat conduction of silver, as silver is a great heat conductor. Silver itself, when you wear it, takes the heat from your body and transfer it into its structure. And if it's onto a cold surface like the ice here, it uses its heat to transfer that to the ice and to surrounding areas like wood, our body temperatures, whatever it may be, onto those the cold surfaces. I time lapsed it for a bit, but it has been at least 30 seconds. And as you can see, when I take it off, it kind of sticks to the ice because of its transfer of heat, and it kind of looks like if someone were to bite the ice cubes, and it looks like any kind of like scratches or claw marks, and that's what you want to see within your ice chain, so as it can cut through ice. As I mentioned before, it's a great heat conductor where it transfers its heat onto a cold surface, which it just did right here as I demonstrated. And this is just a closer look up. I did it a second time to show you what it would look like in more in depth, and you can even see the structure took its shape onto the ice. Very beautiful. In fact, it's just the science and the visually, just the way it does its thing. It's incredible. So that's how you know also your silver chain is also real when it does cuts into molds like this. And the next thing that I'll be doing is a mix of two tests, and this one that I'll be doing is the baking soda cleaning method, and the other one is the tarnish test. So what I'll be doing is that I have a bowl with its aluminum foil and its shiny side upwards, and then I'm just going to put baking soda into the bowl where the aluminum foil is, and then put the chain in there, mix it up, boil hot water, which is the crucial material of this test, where then once I put in the baking soda and chain together, I'll put the hot water into the chain, and then where it shows a lot of bubbling, having its natural cleanliness that it's currently doing in its function. So a lot of gunk and green, murky water should be out of the way, and the first thing that I'll be doing is the Byzantinian chain, which needed a lot of cleaning. It had a lot of black tarnish, which I'll explain later in the video of why that's important, but I'm just doing this because it needed immediate cleaning. So you'll see a lot of gunk, a lot of green water or whatnot, whatever stinks it comes out will be cleaned off by the boiling hot water and baking soda. Yeah, that was fairly disgusting. And now we're just gonna get the Byzantinian chain, and then I'm gonna cloth to wipe off all the excessive baking soda and water, and then to show you the tarnishing, to show you that real silver tarnishes green or black depending on how much you use it. If you sweat or any air that makes contact with sulfur, called oxidation, and any of that is a good indicator showing that your silver is real, because silver is supposed to tarnish, but yet it keeps its real shine and cleanliness. And as you can see, there's some black residue, black tarnish that came out, and that should show you that that's how you know silver is real. That's the kind of tarnish that I was telling you about, the black residue that comes off from the towel. That's what you're looking for when you're cleaning your chains. And the next one I'll be doing is the silver rope chain. This is going to be the one that doesn't need as much cleaning, so you're not going to see as much dirtiness from this chain, but you still gonna see some murky water when I clean this out. When you do clean your chains, don't feel too worried about overfilling with water. That's actually, if anything, you need to add any additional water throughout the process, and you can add a little bit of baking soda as well. I did it a little bit too much. Just make sure you don't overdo it, but put some while you do it with the hot water. And then you're gonna see more black residue when I clean and dry this chain off. And then after that, I'll be doing the density test, in which pretty much the silver has to sink in as it's a heavy metal, which it does in this case. And then which at that point, you checked all the boxes to see if your silver chain is fake or real. And if it's real, congrats, wear it with pride. If not, consult with a jeweler and try to get your money back, or consult with a civil lawsuit. And thank you, everyone. Please subscribe and like this video and share. And thank you.